It came to you without warning, unexpectedly, in a flash. But make no mistake, it was for real. It was a moment in which you understood that good exists because there are good people. A moment in which you understood that your actions will change the world. Let me give you some advice. Don't ever forget that moment. Because difficult times will come. Storms will come. Perhaps you will be afraid. When you feel tempted to surrender, remember this moment. When you are tired, remember this moment. When you feel that you can't go on, recall this moment. Push yourself. Work hard. And don't worry if you stumble. There will always be people to offer you their shoulders. And from there, you will see the horizon with greater clarity. And when they are your shoulders that are supporting a friend in need, that moment will not be yours alone. This moment will belong to the world. And this moment will make the world a little better.